What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at the shop, my friend's shop, BackHalf Hawaii, with the Evo right there. We're gonna go ahead and be removing all the studs on the exhaust manifold and on the cylinder head. So a year and a half ago I did remove the manifold the very first time, but one of the nut, or actually one of the stud, broke off and it's still stuck, and I never really got to fix it till this day. But thankfully for my friends right here, Ben and Kep and the son over there, are gonna be working on my car. I am gonna help them down the road too. This is basically what we're gonna be replacing with, putting these beautiful titanium hardware JD custom, putting on the Evo 8, and along with the ignition coils over here. These things are so freaking beautiful. That is the plan. We're gonna go ahead and tackle it down. First thing we already did, we already removed the front bumper. Next thing you know, we're gonna go ahead and drain the cooling system, remove the charge pipe, radiator, all that stuff, and then we're actually gonna go ahead and take out the whole exhaust manifold and then turbo all at one time to make life a little bit easier. Yeah, that's what basically we're in the process right now. I am so excited to get this thing done because I've been kind of avoiding it for that long and I never really get the chance to, but now we are gonna get it done. And I noticed that I have a slight exhaust leak coming from the manifold, so I did pick up an OEM Mitsubishi gasket, which we're gonna go ahead and replace. So with that being said, the engine is kind of a little bit warm, so we're still cooling it down for a little bit until we can go ahead and start working on it, tackle it down, and then hopefully everything goes out smooth.
Tree.
Coming. We had a little struggle on one of the bolt on the turbo, but we're gonna get that replaced. At least that nut didn't really snap off from the stud. But so this is the part right there. If you guys could see in the video, that is the stud that we're gonna try weld on, and hopefully we can try break it out. Hopefully, right? Well, we'll see though. But that is like one of the biggest goal right there, is to take that out, and then if we can go ahead and take all these studs out and put in a new replacement titanium hardware from the one and only JC Custom. What do you think how that manifold look like, bro?
I think it looks good. It's nice. Just needs a couple extra studs.
Yeah, we got with the replacement, that's what it is.
it's in the foil.
It's in a foil. Telling me inside the camera.
Jason, your car gonna sleep over.
Snap again. Russell, what's going on, man? What happened? You're all stressed out now.
Okay, that's what's going on. It's gonna be okay.
I'm not stressed out. Your car just sleeping over probably. Yeah, the video funny. You been watching.
Oh yeah. So we have a situation. Am I gonna see a lot of screaming in the video and stuff and cussing?
No. No. You didn't see. You just gotta watch him.
Oh my gosh. I'm kind of curious. Like, I gotta watch the video to kind of look over and see what the hell went
It's
wrong.
gonna be really good though.
We're trying to record some action shots.
Oh no.
We're trying to record some action shots.
You almost burned my car down. You freaking guy. Explain this. Oh my gosh. These guys over here probably had so much fun with a fire extinguisher because there's white stuff all over. I'm trying to make it to the drags, bro. So we got a broken stud on top of that. We got a broken stud on top of that. And honestly, if we can't get it out, then I might as well just leave it. I'm not worried about it. They did this. This is how many times they try to break it. They weld a lot of nuts and no luck.
There's one more. I'm gonna try one more.
You think that's gonna work?
I don't know. The last one was pretty stuck, but it's still working.
Yeah.
What was this one? See, it broke right on.
So if everything doesn't fall according to plan, then we probably would just leave the broken studs on there and just put everything back in. I mean, honestly, there's nothing much that we can do. As long as we can put the car back together and make sure everything is good to go, then I'm fine with that for now. Right, third time's the charm, right?
Look at that, it broke them right off. Spin that nut. Well, it's solid, everything fucking solid.
Yeah. It's my souvenir right here. Damn. That's crazy. So it's probably like about, it's probably like, yeah, exactly. About that much. What did I do with it? I thought I had it.
Like oh my god, that's my fucking blade right there. Oh, this fucker is locked on too, bro. Oh, no, lock on.
Come on, Russell.
Look at that half.
You got half.
Well, there's no way this thing gonna just stay in
Smaller
there,
screwdriver, smaller screwdriver. Now you should be able to pull them out easily.
Wait.
But not a half.
Bro, you are a fucking bitch, bro. I can't even believe it. You're going to the fucking bitter end, yeah, you fucking piece of shit. Okay, we're gonna count them one more time.
What you think, Russ? Money.
That's the one. That's the
Oh,
one.
it's the one, bro. It's the one. That's it, bro. That's all she wrote, bro. She
Slam
have
right through. Slam right through. She ain't hard to get, Russell. Come on.
Yeah, she like a little tricky there.
He's over it.
What you think? Last one?
I think that's the last one. All I know is I don't want an Evo anymore.
Oh, what's wrong with that?
Is this what happens when you own an Evo? I'm fucking over it, man. They're nice, but they're not that nice.
I think it'll be.
Boys.
Thanks, Russ. Look at you. I think it would be nice if you just write it in mine and then you might want it after.
That's right. That's right.
We got that sucker out. So it's about 2 hours. You're right, Ben?
Shit, don't go, bro.
No.
This is the last one.
This is the last. So
This is our last hurrah.
So we end up putting 3 nuts on the broken stud, and 3 of them broke. I'm technically using all their nuts here in the shop, and they're already running out.
My nuts!
So I think we're at that point where we're kind of getting to drilling that out.
It's drilled.
Well, it's drilled.
Through, and then we're gonna try and weld one more time.
If we get this studs out, that broken stud in that cylinder head, we'll be golden. And then we can start putting the new titanium studs on the car and on top here.
Okay, on bolts, I mean, on bolts are pretty good, but...
Would imagine if that gets stuck there and that broke off.
Oh, that ain't gonna happen. So I've been like moving them up landing.
85th thousand time. This time it's gonna work.
All right. Sound real confident right there.
Look up.
That should really work. I mean, that's a lot of heat right there. If that doesn't come out, then I mean, look how freaking hot and kick that is right there.
It melted the nut.
Yeah, I can see that.
Kind of suck it to the stud as much as possible.
Damn.
Was it moving though?
Hard to...
Was it spinning on just the weld? You know what I mean?
So where's the bolt?
Nah, it was definitely moving because every time I twisted it out, the nut came out of it.
So while Ben and Kip is gonna figure out, I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and just open these ones up. Now, unfortunately, we have a big issue. The stud that Russell is trying to get out, it, you know, took him longer than I really expected. And the only option is that we're gonna have to just put a bolt and a nut. We didn't want to try ourselves continuing doing this because we might ending up having the same issue as that. We're gonna be just using the 2 titanium studs on top of these, and then as soon as I can find a replacement in the future, then we can go ahead and use the other. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the 2 studs, use anti-seize, put it on there, and see how it looks like.
Boy.
What does the nut look like?
Who's on fucking high heat, boy? I'm trying to melt the fucking through the back. I don't understand what's going on. So, that little...
Okay, so that's gotta be the stud moving. That has to be.
Get it tied up here. Because I welded...
You know what I mean? That right there, that's
You
the...
see, watch the nut, the back of the nut go off of the head, right?
What do you mean? That's gotta be the stud moving.
That's what I'm saying. So you just gotta keep on working on back and forth, give him some love. See, look, it's off the head, but not now.
So if you tighten it, it'll go down.
It'll go down to the head.
I mean, it would have broken off already, you know.
I mean, I'm not even, you know what I mean? It's real little pressure.
So it's not pivoting on a broken weld.
Nah,
you know,
it's gotta be the stud moving. Has to be the stud moving.
It looks like it. Like, grab it from your finger and move it. But
it has to be.
Watch the stud.
It has to be moving. it moved a little bit more.
That's the same thing I thought. Fuck, it gotta be. Bolt broke.
I mean, grab it from your head.
Yeah, but did you like give it muscle and then?
Yeah, because it moved a little bit this way, move a little bit that way, move a little bit more this way,
as soon as
move
you
a little more that way.
muscle a little bit.
As soon as you go, yeah. As soon as you put pressure on them, fuck it, just say, nope.
Look at it, now it's moving.
More and more and more and more, yeah.
Pause.
See, look, chill, look. Get the camera in there, look. Off the head, on tight to the head.
Yeah, you see it right there.
So the stud has to be moving.
Yeah, it is. Like how much pressure you put on before the thing broke?
How much? You know, my gun's like, fuck, you know, I can't tell, you know what I'm saying?
You're going with the music, huh?
Yeah, I seen him. I seen him too. I seen him. I seen him. Yeah. You want to ratchet it?
No, it's working back and forth.
So now you just gotta keep on going.
There.
Watch out, watch out.
We're almost to victory.
Get in there.
Almost. It was down to our last fucking 1/8 inch of stud left. Something's up there in the back of the stud. Something's up in the back of the stud.
Oh, I see it right there. I see it right there. I see it. It's right. I see it. It's right there. Well, I should just go right there.
It's
Look.
out.
Oh! What the fuck is wrong with that thing, bro?
Fucking thing's still good.
Oh, look.
Put
You
it
went
back
through the
in.
hole.
Yeah. Went all the way through.
Yeah, it was buried.
We ain't putting this back. We're freaking throwing it away. Where the rubbish there?
No, you gotta keep them with all the other ones.
Here, this is how much
Just persistent.
all the
Don't
weldings
give
that
up.
bended right there.
No give up.
Trust the
No give up.
Don't give up.
Russell, no give up.
trust the process, right?
Oh, don't give up, man. No, we winning.
No, we did already, boy.
We got him, Russell. We got him.
Oh, how many times?
But I say that was like 5-6 times a weld, huh? More than that, actually.
This was Russell's bolt radiator he was working on, and this is the one we did. 5 times.
There you go. Hell yeah. Done did it, boy. Are you a happy camper now?
Hallelujah. You shoot it out, blow them out with air.
The thing goes right in.
I don't know what happened with that one.
I don't get it.
Doo-doo inside that stuff.
I don't know, but all the titanium thing going out, boy.
Yeah, boy. That's how we do it. How's cousin Ross over here?
Oh, we
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, just kidding. I'm freaking just making sure she's nice and clean.
Have I ever told you guys I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart? For real.
Bro, she's good. We appreciate you too, Jason. It's like a brotherhood around here.
Oh yeah. This is crazy. The threads on the cylinder head is super clean, and for some reason the studs on top here was just giving us the whole trouble for the past 2 to 3 hours. It's just freaking insane, you know, like how's that even happen? But Kep is right there. Is gonna be cleaning up the surfaces. We're gonna blow up the threads, make sure everything is all good to go before we go ahead and throw in the new titanium hardwares. I'm super excited. Now I don't really have to worry about that one broken studs. It's gonna be sick. You like that cam, huh?
It sounds so good. in an Evo at all.
Yeah?
Yeah, at all, like ever. Which is kind of crazy to me. It feels really good, dude. Damn. The thing just hooks up, dude.
Yeah, so good in 4th gear doesn't lose boost.
It just hooks, dude. It's crazy. Oh, that smiles for miles, dude.
Oh, that thing just
You
screams.
make me want to get my car back going so bad.
So I have to give a huge shout out to Benny, Ket, Russell for helping me out taking those rusted studs out of the Evo 8. It was such a freaking project. They never gave up. I want to just say thank you very much for helping me out. It was really awesome of you guys. Couldn't really thank you guys enough. Also shout out to JD Custom for the quality of their hardwares, the ignition coils. Everything worked perfectly. Highly recommend these titanium hardwares. You won't regret it. I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to pick them up. Check out their website too. They have amazing hardwares as well. Really looking forward to buying more products from you guys. And also want to give a shout out to Devin for discount code. Saved me 10%. May not seem a lot, but it's actually saved me a good amount of money. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Aloha. I'll see you guys in the next one.